Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this lesson I am going to explain what is Marubozu candlestick pattern, how we can identify this candlestick pattern, how we can trade on this candlestick pattern, and how this pattern will help us in the trend reversal. Okay, so let's start. Marubozu candlestick pattern looks like this. It is a complete candle with almost no layer shadow or no upper shadow. Basically, in Japanese term, Marubozu means to be dominant, dominance, or completely dominant anything. So it is a single candlestick pattern and it means dominance or completely dominant. To complete to dominate anything completely, dominance with fully control. Single candlestick pattern, dominance completely dominant. And this candlestick pattern looks like this. It has body, its body is long with almost no upper shadow or no lower shadow. Okay, remember that it has long body, no upper or lower shadow. Once again I will repeat its condition. Single candlestick pattern, long body and no upper shadow or lower shadow, and it could be any type, both of bearish or bullish. We will find both type of candlestick with bullish or bearish. Now we will see interpretation of Marubozu candlestick pattern. You can see it looks like this. So for example, it is a bearish candle. Here sellers are completely in the control. It means that sellers are completely dominant and they are continuously selling the market from this level up to this level with a clean sweep, with a fully 100% control. And in this particular session there was no even a single buyer who can pull the market to the upside. So sellers were completely in the control. So its interpretation is simple, that it too has two types of interpretation. First of all, it will act as a trend reversal. So if, for example, if we have already a bullish market and if we gonna find such type of candlestick pattern, it will act as a trend reversal. But already if we have a sell trend and if we found such type of candlestick pattern, then it means trend will continue. So it will act for trend continuation. First step trend reversal, second step trend continuation, and we will trade with almost 1:1 ratio and with proper stop loss. Now we are in the chart GBP JPY. Earlier you can see market was falling. So right now from this candlestick pattern you can see it has a very small upper shadow, downward trend, small upper shadow. So right after this candle, formation of this candle, overall market trend was changed and market direction was changed and market went to the upside. So it's very important candlestick pattern. Here it has acted as trend reversal. Downward trend, we got a Marubozu and market went to the upside. So in this case our stop loss would be this lowest point of Marubozu, and we will adjust our trade with 1:1 or 1/2 ratio. So here I have another example of Marubozu candlestick. As you can see, sideways market, but right after this candlestick pattern market started downward movement and it has came down up to a large level. So right after that we will take entry over here. This lowest point will be our stop loss, and we will adjust our take profit with 1:1 or 1/2 ratio. So finding of this type of candlestick pattern is very rare. It is not abundant. It's very rare as compared to other candlestick pattern. So that's why it is not such important for trading. So this was the explanation of Marubozu candlestick pattern, how to trade on this candlestick pattern. Okay, thank you.